Oh no! What have they done? Okay, so I wasn't expecting to be over here today. Got to make this pretty quick. I never know what to expect when I get in there. There's always a surprise or two. So let's go check it out. I use liquid smoke only on myself. Never ever spray the bees with it. But I use this as like a repellent. It just kind of keeps them calm and also works as a great self tanner. No, but seriously, they'll land on me and stuff, but it really just kind of mimics the smell of liquid of a regular smoker. So put that on me, not on them. These are the two new little nukes that I created recently. And here is queen number one. Big and beautiful, running around healthy. I don't see any eggs laid yet, so I don't want to mark her just yet. I'll watch her for another week and then mark her before I let her go. You can create splits or new hives in a lot of different ways. The easiest way is probably to take a frame that already has a queen cell on it and put it into a nuke box or another box with some resources and just let them continue to raise that queen cell. And here is queen number two. Not quite as amber as queen number one, even though they were created from the same hive, I believe. But just like people, queens have their own characteristics too. And just like with nuke number one, I don't see any eggs yet, so I'm not going to mark her, but I will watch her for a little bit and mark her before she leaves. Let's make sure they're good and healthy first. Oh my goodness! What have they done? Oh no! I left out. I meant to come back and put in another frame. Okay, well, obviously I'll put this in between. I think I have a super frame over there. And I'll just have to like, oh, maneuver it in there. That's the cool thing about honeybees is you give them this and they will make it into a full frame. So let me see if I can maneuver that into here. Oh, I'm sorry. I squished you. My bad. Ow. I squished her. Right on the thumb, man. Through the glove on the thumb. Okay, well, it should dangle in there like that. Yes, my thumb is throbbing a little bit, but as you can see, this hive is thriving. The orange part in the middle there is capped brood, or developing bees. A full frame of capped brood is about 6,400 bees per frame. So that's a lot of bees in this box. And there are two boxes on this hive. The center of the hive is the brood area, developing bees, and as you work your way outward, you get into more nectar and honey. This frame still has a lot of brood on it, and this is a full frame of honey. White-capped honey.
Isn't that gorgeous?
So I'll keep an eye on this box and let them continue to grow and pack some resources. Hopefully they will start to put some of that honey in the upper super there, and we'll have some for harvest here soon. I have a few more splits that I'm working on, and then I'll have some more equalizing to do, rearranging, probably putting some things back together. I really do not want as many hives as I have created so far, so I'll have to see what I'm going to do about that. But thanks for watching, and happy beekeeping!